No need to be overwhelmed or stressed by clutter. All it takes is 15 minutes to go from cluttered to clean. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I'm spending 15 minutes doing the closet in our guest room. First things first, take everything out. Yep, I'm starting with a clean slate. Now I'm going to give the closet a quick vacuum and dust. Now that it's all cleaned up, I'm just putting back what belongs here. This was pretty simple since there wasn't too much in the closet to begin with. I'm putting the wrapping paper back in the corner, no big surprise there. I was actually thinking of getting rid of these Santa boots, but the wrapping paper fits so perfectly inside, so I'm keeping them for now. I also thought about tossing the container drawers since they're all empty, but you know what? They're handy when we have guests. If they need a place to stash their clothes, they're perfect. And then there are the Legos. We keep them around in case family or friends come over with kids. I like to lay down a sheet on the floor for easy cleanup after they're done playing. It's way less hassle to gather up the sheet by the corners than picking up the Legos one by one. I did find a couple of things that don't really belong here anymore. This princess bead kit is a gift that I need to give someone, and I found a folder of genealogy papers. I just added those papers to my genealogy notebook and got rid of the folder. Now I'm moving on to my sewing box. It was a bit of a mess, so I decided to take it to the kitchen island where I have more space to work. I ended up getting rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't use anymore, like this glue gun and some duplicate colors of thread. I also got rid of a cutter, seam ripper, some elastic, and Velcro. Oh, and I consolidated my buttons and tossed any old junk. I put back the fuzzy blanket at the top of the closet in case someone gets cold in the winter here in Montana. Look at that, much better, right? All it took was 15 minutes, a timer, and some quick decisions. Having the timer really helped me stay focused. When you're on the clock, there's no time to overthink what to keep and what to toss. It's so much easier that way. Now it's your turn. Find a drawer, a shelf, or a small space in your home. Set a timer for 15 minutes and see what you can declutter. Trust me, it's amazing what you can get done in such a short amount of time. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and join me for more quick, simple homemaking tips.